today I wanted to talk about how not to crash your motorcycle, because there are a lot of ways to crash your motorcycle, and as a beginning rider I've had enough opportunities to crash my motorcycle, but I haven't. So that's why I am going to tell you, whether you want to ride a motorcycle, already ride a motorcycle, or even if you will never ride a motorcycle, you can still listen to this, I don't mind. The best way, I would say, is to not be stupid. Well, that's pretty straightforward, but accept that you are a beginning rider and don't try to wheelie or do burnouts or do crazy overtake maneuvers. I have had trouble with slow cars in front of me, and I wanted to pass them, but I didn't, because I didn't want to take the chance. And another big thing is group riding. When you ride in a group, it's fine if you're a beginning rider, just don't ride in the front, because other motorcyclists will usually push you when they have better skills. So when you want to ride in a big group, ride a little bit in the back, take your time, ride at your skill level, leave the racing to the more skilled motorcycle riders. Don't get yourself pumped up. I know it's fun to ride with others and it's fun to get crazy, but don't get too crazy, because that's when the most accidents happen. When you, I'll just overpass this guy because it's cool, and then you'll crash and then you'll feel stupid. So don't do it. Just ride at your own pace and at your own level. And I know it sounds boring, but it's not, because you're still on a motorcycle and it's still a hell of a lot of fun. And I am fortunate enough to have never crashed before, and most of that is luck and knowing that you shouldn't be an idiot. Knowing you shouldn't be an idiot. That's the biggest thing. I would even say, when you start to ride a motorcycle, accept that you suck at it. That's better than to think that you're good at it. If you have any other tips for beginning motorcycle riders, please leave them in the comments below. I would really appreciate that. Look how nice everybody is, waiting for the red lights to turn off. I'm back at my college. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll not crash your bike either, and that my tips helped you even in the slightest bit. And I'll talk to you later.